Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve organic chemistry for NEET Easy Guide. Start by mastering core concepts like acid-base behavior and electron flow before memorizing reactions. Allocate short daily sessions and mix reading with active problem solving to reinforce memory. Use visual notes and reaction maps to connect topics. Track weak areas and revisit them weekly. Keep practice varied and time to build exam stamina and accuracy while staying calm and consistent. Build a disciplined practice plan focused on quality over quantity for best results. Schedule alternating days for mechanisms and MCQs, and include one full-timed section weekly to simulate test pressure. Analyze errors to identify patterns and create small, focused drills to fix them. Use spaced repetition for tricky reactions and revisit them at increasing intervals. Keep sessions short and frequent to maintain concentration and steady improvement. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for setting study timers, playing focus music, and keeping hands-free while you review notes, so it can help your study flow. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. I've included the product link and more deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Choose a single comprehensive textbook and pair it with concise video explanations for difficult topics. Build your own reaction sheets with key reagents, conditions, and outcomes for fast revision before tests. Use spaced repetition apps for memorizing reagents and try teaching concepts to peers to deepen understanding. Supplement study with occasional mock tests and review sessions to measure progress and adjust focus as needed for steady gains.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.